Hello all and welcome to Excelarator. Today we are going to see how we can use wildcard characters with the earlier explained functions, that is Sumif and Sumifs function. So before moving ahead, we should know what is a wildcard character. So wildcard character is a special character that represents one or more other characters. Widely used wildcard characters are asterisk and question mark. While asterisk is used to signify any number of characters, question mark is used to signify a single character. We have certain examples here of how wildcard characters can be used, and we will see the practical applications of such examples as we cover Sumif and Sumifs function. So let's move to see how Sumif and Sumifs function work with wildcard characters. Now, since we have covered Sumif and Sumifs function in earlier videos, I will directly start using the function here, that is equal to Sumif open parenthesis range. Now range is nothing but records where we want to match the condition, comma, criteria here is criteria, and some range is weights in the given table, and closed parenthesis. You can also revisit earlier videos if you have missed them to see the structure of Sumif and Sumifs function and the attributes used by both of these functions. Now coming back, we see a null value here because we have not entered any criteria. Now using wildcard characters, assume that we want some of the weights for the countries where there is R in the name. So let's press enter and there you go. Now let's check with the test cell, text filter contains R, 1,74,276. Now if you have already seen my earlier videos, by now you must be familiar with the test cell. This is the cell that we use to cross check if the answer given by the function is correct by choosing the filtered criteria here and using the subtotal. So these are the countries where R exists in the name. Now if we delete this and put question mark N star, that means second character of the country name is N followed by any number of characters. Let's press enter. So it gives us 17,849. Let's see if it is correct. Text filters, custom filter, name or the string begins with second character as N. Okay, so the answer is correct. What if instead we change it and put asterisk and question mark at the end? This means second last character of the country name is N and before n there can be any number of characters. Let's see if it is correct. Again, let's clear the filter, then we will use text filter. Ends with, since we want second last character as n question mark. Okay, 33,325, that is a correct answer. If we change it to double question marks, then that means n is third last character in the country name. Let's see if it is correct. Text filter, let's remove the filter once and reapply it. Ends with n question mark. Okay, so again, if you see test cell and Sumif, result gives us same result. So that's how you can use wildcard characters with Sumif function. Now let's see how it can be used in Sumifs function. So, is equal to Sumifs. Now here some range, unlike Sumif, here first attribute is some range, that is weights we want. Now criteria range 1, criteria we will take in the column order country. What is the condition that we want? That is criteria 1. Then let's select criteria range 2 in the same order as capital, comma, where is condition 2? There you go. And criteria range 3, continent, selected, comma, where is criteria 3? Criteria 3 here, and closed parenthesis. Now let's see. Since we have not put in anything in the criteria 2 and 3, it's giving nil result. So to avoid confusion, let's delete this first and concentrate on Sumifs. So third last character we want as n. Capital, let's say capital should contain a anywhere in the string, and criteria 3, that is continent, we want as Asia. So that gives us a result. So criteria 1, let's filter, text filter, ends with third last character as n, so n question mark. Okay, then second criteria, anywhere in the capital name A, so here you go, text filter, contains A. Okay, and we want criteria 3, that is continent as Asia. Let's directly select Asia here. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 countries, and the sum is correct. Now let's again play with some more combinations. Let's delete this first and let's clear the filters. Clear filter and clear filter. Let's see, we want third character as A, so question mark A and asterisk. Now making use of wildcard characters a little bit tricky. If you miss to put asterisk, now this means that the string is 3 character string and last character as A, but if you put asterisk, this means third character of the string is A followed by any number of characters. So criteria 1, there you go here. Now let's see criteria 2, that is capital. Let's say end of the last character is A, and criteria 3, continent contains A. Asterisk A asterisk. No. Let's see. Third character. So begins with question mark A. Okay. Here. Let's see. Second character of the capital we want as A. But here presumably we have made a mistake. Okay. Here we want star and gives us text filter, begins with second character is A. Okay. And continents text filter contains A. So that gives us the correct answer. So friends, this is how you use wildcard characters in Sumif and Sumifs function. You can play with wildcard characters as much as you want, and there are permutations and combinations that you can use to narrow down your results. So that's it for today. See you soon in the upcoming videos with Excelarator. Till then, take care. Bye bye.